Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of Quick Guide, and in this video I am going to show you how to archive a channel in Slack. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to archive a channel into Slack, you just simply have to open the Slack application into your device. Then after opening the Slack application, just simply choose a channel which you want to archive. Then after choosing the channel, tap into channel name into the top. Just simply tap into that and scroll down to bottom and you will get the option of archive into here. Just simply tap into that archive button and tap again into archive in order to confirm. Then after doing this very easy step, you can easily archive any channels into Slack. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.